Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogrozinski, your instructor for English 1102 Net '07. This is an 8-week accelerated 1102 course. Please make yourself aware of the fact that this is an 8-week course. It is a 16-week course that is going to be condensed down into the 8. So it may the course may start out a little slow, but I can assure you it's going to pick up steam around week 4, and it's going to be pretty busy throughout the rest of the semester then. So each week I'm going to provide you a weekly screencast video. That's exactly what this is. I will post the schedule for the week. I will talk about the assignments, what's coming up, provide some direction, and I'll probably lead into some of the content or lecture videos that'll appear later in the week. Okay? So be sure to always watch the weekly screencast videos. I'll post an announcement just like you see here on the screen where I will talk about the due dates. I might make some adjustments as we move through the semester. That's why I always say everything's always subject to change. So you're going to want to make sure that you at least watch the screencast videos. So I'm hoping by now everybody's had time to look at the orientation video about how I laid out the Blackboard site. We also have a Google Drive tutorial because Google Drive is a requirement in this course. You can see here it is listed in the text and required material. So once again, we will use the textbook. It is critical. I have a student who emailed me over the weekend who has a copy of the textbook in PDF format that they are willing to share. If you are looking for that type of resource, please send me an email and I will pass that along. All right, so this week is basically we're getting started. You have an icebreaker here to introduce yourself to the class so everybody gets a chance to know each other. Then we're starting into the first 2 articles in the week 1 unit. There are 2 articles posted there. I'll get there in a minute. One by Gene Twenge and another one by Lukianoff and Height. They are our beginning of our very first assignment, and you're going to want to print those and read those. Actually, we have a discussion board due at the end of the week. So let's go to the weekly course unit. And week 1, you will see here the week 1 overview. Also additional Google Drive instructions about the full course folder and tutorial. They're rather straightforward. If you have a question about that, you want to send me an email. Once again, you have the Icebreaker Forum. Readings for the week. Gene Twenge's article about smartphones and Lukioff and Haight's article about the fragility of college students are the readings for the week. You will find these readings attached to your very first essay assignment that'll be due quickly. Coddling of the American Mind, and here's Twenge's smartphone article. All right, so you can download those PDFs just by clicking on those here. This is our assignment. I will cover this in a separate lecture video. All right, so I want to make sure that everyone is aware of the assignments for the week and the readings for the week. We have the 2 articles. You can find the discussion boards for that. Here is the Icebreaker Forum. Toward the end of the week, you have Twenge and Lukianoff's discussion board number 2. I have 2 threads already started here. All you have to do is click in and click on the reply button, and you can post your initial post there and the discussion board. All right, so that's what we have going for the first week. The Icebreaker Forum, and then Twenge and Lukioff and Height. You want to read those and make your initial post by Friday. Responses for all the discussion boards are due on Monday. Look for my lecture videos later in the week. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Welcome to the course. Good luck and stay safe.